Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to do a walk around of this brand new 2021 Heli Lithium-Ion Walkie Pallet Jack with extended runtime. Model number CBD20JLIS. Now, this pallet jack has a base capacity of 4,400 pounds, and it runs on a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, which is removable. I would simply unplug it right here, pull it out. It weighs roughly 29 pounds. And you'll see there that we have 27 by 48 inch forks with an overall lowered height of 3 inches and a raised height of 7¼ inches. And yes, everything is shrink wrapped because it is brand new, but you can see there through the shrink wrap that this has poly tandem load wheels. Now, coming up here to our steering column, I want to show you this battery indicator right here because right now it is showing green, but as your battery would go down, it will change colors, and I'll show you here by keying it off what those 4 colors are. So that makes it very obvious when you need to swap out your battery or charge it. Here we have a horn, and this of course is our lift button right here. Nice and smooth operation. Our forward and our back is right here on our thumbs. Both the right and the left have a toggle switch on the thumb. And we have that emergency belly stop as well in case I would get backed against something. That emergency stop will cut the power. Now, to lower my forks with this, I simply pull on that handle right here on the right side, or I can also do it with my foot as well. This is an economical option for you when you're looking for a lithium-ion pallet jack with extended runtime. If you are interested in doing a demo or seeing this in person, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.